For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Millions of mosquitoes will now be buzzing in Florida's skies thanks to a new plan approved by the government. As per the approved plan, over 750 million genetically modified mosquitoes will be released in Florida. The mosquitoes will be released across Monroe County in southern Florida. These will be released to reduce mosquito-borne diseases by mating them with mutant mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are known to carry various deadly diseases. These modified bugs have been created to stop the spread of the deadly diseases like malaria, dengue and Zika virus. The mosquitoes have been genetically modified by a UK-based biotech company called Oxitec. These mosquitoes have been modified to pass on a particular protein when they mate. This will lower the survival chances of female mosquitoes that transmit infections. Subsequently, the female population will reduce in every generation. This will simultaneously lead to a reduction in the transmission rate across the regions. The modified mosquitoes belong to the Aedes aegypti species. The technology has shown good results in lab experiments. Oxitec has also secured EPA approval for further testing in Harris County, Texas. The company will be releasing a higher number of mosquitoes in 2021. However, experts warn this experiment could go horribly wrong.
These strategies hold considerable potential benefits for the hundreds of millions of people impacted by mosquito-borne diseases each year. However, we are concerned that current government oversight and scientific evaluation of genetically modified mosquitoes do not ensure their responsible deployment.
The scheme has been mired in controversy ever since its announcement. It was approved for experimental use in Texas and Florida by US Environmental Protection Agency. Millions of these mosquitoes will be released every week for the next 2 years. But is this safe? What if these mosquitoes bite human beings? Only female mosquitoes bite, hence the lab genetically modified only male mosquitoes. Gene modification involves inserting, deleting, modifying or replacing the DNA of a living organism. This method could help protect humans against diseases and natural illnesses. While this could save thousands of lives, some experts remain apprehensive.